Hello my friends, welcome to Bunny Tales. Today we're going to learn about the letter L. We're going to make a lion craft. To make this craft we need some yellow and orange paper, googly eyes, glue, and scissors. We're going to start out by using the yellow paper, making a cutout of the letter L and a circle. Then we're going to use the orange paper and cut out some strips. When we have all of our pieces ready, we can start. Hello my friend!
Hi!
Today we're going to learn about the letter L. Do you know some words that start with the letter L?
Yes, lemon, llama, and lion.
Very good! And today we're going to make a lion. We're going to start out by gluing this letter L cutout on the piece of paper. After we do that, we're going to add the yellow circle to the top of the L. That will be the head. Then we're going to use little strips of orange paper to put around the head. Do you know what that is?
Yeah, that's a lion's mane.
Very good. Only male lions have a mane. After adding the lion's mane, we can now add the googly eyes and then draw the nose and the mouth. Next, we're going to write the word lion. Do you know how to spell lion?
Yes, L-I-O-N.
Good job! Then let's practice writing the letter L at the bottom.
This was fun. I love lions. Rawr!
I hope your little ones enjoy making the letter L craft. Please subscribe to the channel so I can make more fun videos. Thank you!